Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert units on Redmi A3 Pro using your Google keyboard. To quickly convert some units, go to an app where you can enter text, for example to messages. Then go to texting and enter some value with a unit, for example 12 centimeters. Then press and hold on it and tap on the Google icon. Then it will convert and you can quickly convert it to inches, to feet, to meter, or you can choose any unit you want here, for example to yards. And that's how you convert these units quickly. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.